Alright, we got ourselves a new mini bike, CC100X. I'm going to go ahead and fill up the tires, see if they hold air. If you take a closer look, the throttle, because when I pull it, no movement. Spray some WD-40 on there, see if we can loosen it up. The brakes are also pretty messed up, so see what we can do for those. Awesome. Awesome. Let's set that throttle piece back up and see if it goes back. So, right here. That's where she goes. And then back in there. Up with the spring. Always forget that. Awesome. Right there. Make sure that goes in that hole again and just tighten it down. See what the brake feels like. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah.
Smell test.
Alright, I think it just needs new brakes. The kickstand is, I think it's rusted because it's really difficult to get down and up, so all we have to do is spray some WD-40 over there, right here. Let it soak in, let's go. Back and forth a few times. Alright, see, clip is off. Alright, I cleaned it up, put some oil around the bearings area and the bushing part, and hopefully that's good enough. That's the bearing right there. See if that still works. It's all grimy and disgusting. You can hear it. Alright guys, so I was lucky and I found a chain that was just a little bit longer than needed. And I also found a couple links So that's great. Let me get some washers. Guys, so I actually shaved this down with sandpaper, and now it fits inside the brick. That's amazing. So I'm gonna put this all together and we're gonna install it back on. Alright, so I adjusted this little thing down here. I'm gonna get a new gas tank and keep it for a little while. This thing rips. I'm still shocked by it. That was fast. Hey guys, what's going on? I appreciate it if you made it this far. If you're interested, please leave a like and comment what you thought about the video. Please consider subscribing if you want to stick around and see my other builds. I'm posting the part 2 with the part 1 automatically, so you can watch both of these videos. I just want to thank you guys so much. We are about to hit the 100 subscriber mark. I appreciate your support. So if you do enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. It'll help out a lot with the channel and everything. Let me know you enjoy my content. I'll see you in part 2.